Welcome everyone. If you are eager to explore a straightforward method to earn money online through Digistore24 affiliate marketing, you have landed on the perfect video. Digistore24 is gaining popularity as an affiliate program, much like ClickBank, but with high ratings, satisfied users, substantial traffic, and a plethora of enticing offers. So in today's guide, I'll walk you through a step-by-step approach for beginners, focusing on one specific offer within the fitness and health niche, the custom keto diet. Unlike other methods, this approach doesn't involve paid ads, recording yourself, or building a website. You can leverage Digistore24's diverse categories to choose a product that aligns with your interests. So if you don't have any account on Digistore24, get registered. It's quite easy, like getting registered to your social media platforms. So once you're done, head over to marketplace, and at the left corner you would be finding all the categories. Okay, you can select any product you are interested and start promoting. So for this example, I'll dive into the fitness and health niche, specifically the custom keto diet. This product stands out due to its popularity and a generous $25 commissions per sale. And guys, if you're really interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from home, just using your computer and internet connection, click the first link in the description, get registered, and you get redirected to my favorite strategy right away. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars on autopilot just by building these kinds of systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So now let's get started with today's video. Step 1, once you identify a product on Digistore24, as you can search on marketplace, there are n number of products. So once you identify a product on Digistore24, click on the promote now button to obtain your affiliate link. This link is very crucial for tracking your referrals. Now head over to the affiliate support page, and this page is a goldmine of resources, including videos, content, and images related to the product you're affiliating for. So no need to create your content. These affiliate resources are here to assist you. And for some products, you don't be finding any resources section or any videos or images in affiliate resources section, then need not to worry at all. Why? Because I'm going to create a dedicated video for this kind of products. So I request you to please do subscribe so that you won't be missing any next update from my end. Now here we are going to focus on the video section for today's example, as I said you. So these videos will become our assets for driving traffic. Okay, you can also explore the sales page. You can see this is the sales page of the product. So here where the potential customers will land. Now let's download these videos and keep it aside and understand why this strategy involves using YouTube. YouTube is a powerhouse of traffic, and people are actively searching for content related to various niches, including keto diets. By understanding what people are searching for, you can tailor your video titles and thumbnails to attract clicks. So don't worry about needing thousands of views. Even 1,000 views can lead to significant profits with a 1% conversion rate. Let's take an example. If any video of yours would be getting 1,000 views, so $25 is the commission rate, then 1% commission would be making you around $250 on one video. Okay, it's that easy. So use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy for research. They are free trials. You can make use of it. Or you can manually search for relevant topics on YouTube. So once you identify a search term like keto diet, you'll see the search results. Okay, this information is crucial for crafting engaging titles and thumbnails. Now here we'll move on to creating thumbnails using canva.com. It's a user friendly and a free platform. If you are very new to canva.com, then get registered. And I'm not here to show you the tutorial of how to create thumbnails. You can find lot many videos on YouTube. Go search like how to create YouTube thumbnails on Canva. You'll be coming across lot many videos. So once you are done with the training, head over to canva.com, choose a template, customize it with relevant keywords, and download it. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks. So put some thoughts into it. Now let's discuss the YouTube description. Head over to Digistore24 and grab the affiliate link. There are few tools like Bitly and tinyurl. So insert your affiliate link over there and make it short. Okay, these tools help you to create your long URLs to short URL and include it in your YouTube description. So to enhance your video's visibility by creating a description rich in keywords related to the niche, you can use ChatGPT to generate a 200 word or 300 word YouTube description explaining why keto is beneficial. So here as an example, you can ask ChatGPT to give you keywords on keto. So take around 10 keywords and ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube description with 300 words by making use of all these keywords. So ChatGPT would be giving you all the content, and make sure you also include stating include 2 to 3 hashtags into that video. Alright, so once the content is generated, copy it, head over to YouTube Studio or youtube.com, upload your video, include your description, and make sure you include affiliate link on the top of the description so that once people view your video, then they get redirected to click on this short URL. And once the customer purchase, you get the cut from the whole price. Alright, so you'd be getting around $25 on each sale. Lastly, consistency is key. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but with Digistore 24's generous commissions, consistent effort can lead to a full-time income. So upload one video per day utilizing the affiliate support resources or creating your own content when needed. For this purpose, to create your own content, please do subscribe. Why? Because I'm going to show you how to create your own content very easily. Okay, so guys, as I said this is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires a lot of time, but if you are really interested in my preferred method to earn $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from comfort of your home just using your computer and laptop, then please click the first link in the description, get registered, and I'll right away share my strategy with you. Okay, you get redirected over there. So as a bonus, I would like to give away this $97 bonus. As you can see on the screen, this is called the Stasho method, which is listed on Digistore 24 platform itself. Okay, this is my own program and I'm selling it for $22. And this program helps individuals to create their own supplement brand without any product or inventory. So it's that powerful, but it's a new program. So I request you to please try it out. You can please visit the second link in the description. Okay, stating like it's my community. You will be finding many like-minded people like you. So join that community, and in courses section, you would be finding this course absolutely for free, this Stasho method. So go and watch the course over there. So guys, best of luck on your journey to Digistore 24 affiliate success. Remember, the key is consistency and targeted content creation. Whether you're passionate about fitness, health, or any other niche, create separate channels for each and follow these steps to start earning through Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. Wishing you success, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe.